How to get rid of blackheads right away. There are so many ads about this for erasing blackheads. Does it really work? 100% real review. Testing getting rid of blackheads immediately. Hey guys, it's Casper. Welcome back to Beauty Facts Unboxing. So before I start with this week's video, I'm going to talk about the results from last video's survey. And a lot of you guys guessed that the eyeshadow has more bacteria, and you guys were right. The eyeshadow does have more bacteria than the lip tint. And I don't exactly know the reason why. Maybe it's in the way that we use it, with our fingers, we rub it. Or maybe it's in the way that it's packaged. But anyways. Today's Beauty Facts Unboxing is all about blackheads. So if you guys have tried out those chemical exfoliants that claim to get rid of blackheads, AHAs, BHAs, or all those ads claiming to completely get rid of blackheads, I mean, some of those ads can be really amazing looking. And me, when I look through those ads, I'm thinking, does that really work? And I really wanted to test this product out, and our Beauty Facts Unboxing team decided to test this out. Test 1. The blackhead vacuum suction. So today in Beauty Facts Unboxing, we are going to test out a device that a lot of beauty YouTubers online have been reviewing, and the price range was quite dramatic. There were really expensive ones and really cheap ones, and the one we're going to try out today was around $13, so pretty affordable. You can control the suction amount in 3 levels. So here you have the button here. And to show you, stage 1. Level 2, and level 3. Well, I don't have a lot of blackheads on my nose, so today we have a special guest that I'm gonna pull out. Introducing Bob. Come on in.
안녕, 인간 블랙헤드 밥이라고 해.
Why are you laughing? So let's check out how Bob's nose looks under the microscope. They look like strawberry seeds, except white strawberry seeds.
오.
지금 그걸로 짜고 있는 것 같은데? So now, in order to make his sebum a little more tangible, we're gonna steam up his nose using a towel. 와.
뜨거워, 진짜 뜨거워.
에이, 그 정도 아니다. 만져보고 했는데. 코에 대고 계세요.
근데 진짜 뜨거웠어.
와, 볼에 잔털. 이거 너무 신기해. 와, 이거 뭐야?
하나가 있어.
Okay, so I'm gonna begin pulling out Bob's blackheads. You can stop steaming up your nose. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this suction, and I've attached the microscope so we can see what's going on. And I've learned that you're not supposed to pull upwards. You're supposed to gently and slowly move sideways, but not stay on the same spot for more than 3 seconds, because then it'll leave like a red mark. So I'm gonna try.
오!
What?
닦였어, 뭔가. 더러워.
왜?
아니, 진짜 피지가 나와요. 뭐야, 왜 나오는 거야? 나왔어.
아파요?
아니, 안 아파요.
나와!
멀끔해.
진짜 깨끗한데?
진짜 멀끔해.
Ew.
이거, 근데 진짜 더럽다.
See? Let's see how much we can collect. 얼마나 모이는지 봅시다. 너무 재밌는데?
큰일 났네.
진짜 많이 났어.
진짜 더럽네.
오!
어떡하니 이거?
Okay. So as you can see, we got a lot from his nose and some of his pores became a lot cleaner. But in the process of suctioning it out with the machine, I got a little annoyed because some of it didn't get completely pulled out. So like as I was moving through his skin, like the tip of the blackhead would just come out, and then as I moved away, it just stayed there. So I feel like what this machine does is cuts off the top part of the sebum, and that's our collection here. And if we were to, like, I don't know, squeeze it or pull it out, then there would be more inside. Okay. See? 이런 거 보이죠? 지금 이거 뽑히다 만 거 보여요, 여기?
근데 진짜 아까보다 훨씬 잘.
Yeah, over here too. You can see that, like, oh, but these ones got cleaner. So, you know, you can see that there's some leftover blackheads, right, Bob?
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna melt them away using cleansing oil. Now, a lot of people use cleansing oil to melt off makeup, right? But you could also use cleansing oil to melt off sebum. So the leftover sebums like that we didn't get out with the machine, I'm gonna use a cleansing oil to melt them away. First step, apply cleansing oil, an adequate amount to dry skin. Gently roll it. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna emulsify it using water. So just apply a little bit of water and then continue the rolling motion. This is an important step in melting away the blackheads.
오.
Oh, you see those empty holes?
와, 근데 진짜다. 와, 찐이다 이거.
근데 진짜 훨씬 덜한데?
그니까.
그치 오빠?
진짜 없었어.
그리고 아까 전에 그 단면만 이렇게 뽑혀 있었던 그런 애들도 많이 사라졌고.
네.
아니 저 지금 되게 여러 군데 하는데 다 훨씬 깨끗한데?
근데 진짜 확실히 다르네. 뭐야? 와.
나이스.
와.
언니 코 만져보니까 어때요?
진짜 맨들맨들해요. 근데 진짜 아까는 막 좀 기름지고 했는데 지금 기름기가 없어. 신기하다.
But your hands are really dirty, so stop touching your nose with your hands. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to the studio. Fact check. Blackhead vacuum suctions work, but it irritates the skin. So as you guys saw from our experiment, the suction of the vacuum machine did take out the sebum, but it kind of did make Bob's nose red, as you can see. After using vacuum suction and after getting rid of the remaining sebum with cleansing oil, you can see that Bob's pores did get really cleaner. But you guys know that those empty pores will fill up with sebum again, so on a long-term use, I wouldn't recommend using an abrasive machine like this. I would say that the correct answer to taking care of your blackheads is more of like a consistent and steady effort. So instead of just once trying to pull it out using strips or like this machine or like your fingers, you know, if you consistently exfoliate and moisturize and, you know, use cleansing oil to melt away the sebum, your pores will eventually follow up to that. But they won't get smaller. Do you guys remember this from our previous episode? I will leave products down in the description down below that can help you with taking care of your blackheads. Please, guys, give a round of applause for Bob's nose today. I mean, I was teasing him a lot, but I'm sure everyone has blackheads and it's always a concern. So I'm really thankful to Bob. And another thing, guys, when you use peel-off masks or machines like this, you guys have to take care of your skin and your stimulated nose afterwards. So using something like a toner pad would really help. So just moisten up a cotton pad with toner and place it on your nose and let your nose chill down. This is it for this episode of Beauty Facts Unboxing, and if you have any further questions, then please leave them down in the comments below, and we'll come back to you with another episode. Thank you guys for watching.